Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim with 2,393 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a Frankenstein TRIKE kit, a Vance & Hines exhaust, a rear fender cover, a passenger backrest, mid-frame heat deflectors, and an engine guard. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Softail puts 97 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Softail has a 160 to 210-mile range. It has a 25.9-inch seat height, and in stock form, a 708-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and both rear tires are at 1130 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and ships well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint transfer blemish on the rear fender, a scratch on the rear fender. This trike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile comprehensive warranty and continued 90-day, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.